Hey guys, wanna know how to change how your timeline is viewed in Audacity? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do so. So let's get right into it. Now first up, launch Audacity and make sure you have any track that is imported to make sure that the timeline change is applied and viewed properly. So for you to change any timeline, just simply go to View, navigate towards timeline and hover on it. Now by default, Audacity should be on minutes and seconds. So if you want to change it, let's say beats and measures, just simply click on it. And here you can see in the timeline right here, the before and after can be clearly seen. And that's it. You can also change it by directly right clicking on the timeline. And right here you can change it. Click minutes and seconds and you're back to me. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more related videos. See you in the next one.